Please listen to me, Chief Minister of Assam. You are talking the speaking. So Dhubri district 85% minority people. So totally Bangladesh coming for Bangladeshi. You are talking the speaking Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sharma. So please result to me. Dhubri district one people no Bangladesh. Dhubri district total people citizen of India. No. Chief Minister talking the speaking 85% all Assam no 1% no one people no Bangladesh. Total all Assam people citizen of India. So Dhubri minority people he is a linguist Bengali. Listen to me, Chief Minister of Assam. Assam Act 5 languages agreement. Assamese, English, Hindi, Boro, Bengali. 5 language agreement. So minority people Bengali linguist, but Bengali people Bengali linguist. So he is a Bangladeshi people. No Bangladesh people. He is a citizen of India people. Please stop the Chief Minister. One people, no one people Bangladesh. Please listen to me. You are stop.